Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 not launching, crashing, not loading, and lag issue on PS5.
Fix 1. Restart PS5. Step 1. Press the PS button, select power. Step 2. Choose Restart PS5. Step 3. Launch the game again. Fix 2. Check for game update. Step 1. Go to MSFS 2024 icon. Step 2. Press Options. Step 3. Select Check for update, install if available. Fix 3. Clear PS5 cache. Step 1. Turn off PS5 completely. Step 2. Hold power until you hear second beep, safe mode. Step 3. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Choose Clear System Cache. Fix 4. Rebuild Database. Step 1. Boot PS5 into safe mode. Step 2. Select Rebuild Database. Step 3. Restart PS5 and relaunch the game. Fix 5. Check internet connection. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network. Step 2. Run test internet connection. Step 3. Use a wired connection if possible. Fix 6. Disable 120Hz/VRR. Step 1. Open Settings, Screen, and Video. Step 2. Turn off VRR and off 120Hz. Step 3. Restart the game.